Okay, guys. I'm gonna draw. Tell in the comments if you like it or not. Okay, kadali lang. Okay, kibaw na kung sa i-draw na ako. Wabi-sabi. Okay, cool. I forgot what to draw. Psych, I didn't write that. I just need a little confidence. Wait, guys. Okay, you can wait for a while. It's very, 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 very dugay. Yo, piki, yo, neya, neya. Ay, hell na. Oh no, patay. Ay, oh, kadakora kaya to. Ya, piki, yo, neya, ay, dakora kaya na. Oh my gosh, my gosh, my gosh, my gosh. My gosh, my gosh, my gosh, my gosh. My gosh, my gosh, my gosh, my gosh. Oh. Okay. Sakit no. Ako magamit ano. Do you want to skip tutorials in future? No.
Hello, Ma'am Jean. Ay, ayong hapon. Ma'am Jean, mamalihog ko og pasend atong katabi taong set of officers. Ang set of officers nato. Kung mahimo picturean or isend na lang kung makadumdum pa ka katong president, si Sir Neil, o niya ang vice president, tapos ang tama dito sa dulo.
Wow, cool hairbrush.
Katong nasa notebook bitaw, katong sa atong minute.
No comments. If you want
Kaya ako na lang
free
i-plaster para ma-print
free,
mo
guys,
niya.
free.
Kuan dayon mapirmahan kay basig kuan
Like,
man good.
you just
Basig maalanganin sa oras
leave
ba.
server. Fine.
Nahikay na ninyo to?
Or like this. You can just
Nahikay na ninyo ni Sir Neil,
just
Ma'am Jean?
don't or my like this. Okay.
Nahikay na ninyo tong kuan?
Don't mind that.
Itong
Don't
akong gipahimo?
don't. Okay. You can just, guys, if you want to get free
i-chat na lang
brushes,
nako,
you
i-chat.
see it's like this, right? And you always
Thank
get
you.
an ad. If you
Bye.
see use for free, click it and click use for free. Then that's how you get it. It was pretty easy. Oh. Okay. That's just more than my crush. I forgot some little details. And let's just get my smudge. Oh, that's too big. Perfect. Perfect. Don't mind that, guys. So that's how you get free ones. Okay, bye. Bye. I hope you enjoy it and nakalearn mo kung saan pagpuhato. Isir kayo. Ha.